Have you ever stood in a massive traffic jam, looked up at the open sky, and wished you could just fly over the gridlock? Well, get ready, because what used to be a fantasy confined to Hollywood blockbusters is unfolding right before our eyes. These incredible personal flying machines are no longer a distant promise of the future, as they are being built, tested, and flown by regular people right now. In this video, we are going to dive deep into the 8 most impressive personal transportation vehicles that are completely rewriting the rules of human mobility. From personal jet suits that turn you into a real-life superhero to elegant aircraft you can literally park inside your home garage. What you are about to see will genuinely leave you speechless. But before we reveal these engineering marvels, I have a small request for you. If you enjoy these analyses, please hit like and subscribe to the channel. Help me reach 1,000 subscribers quickly. That would be a huge motivation for me to create more quality videos for you. Welcome to Expand Knowledge. It is now 2026, and the global race for low-altitude dominance has reached a fascinating tipping point. As an analyst looking at these massive international developments, it is clear that the landscape of transportation is undergoing a profound structural shift. We begin our countdown at number 8 with a jaw-dropping example of Chinese innovation, the XPENG AENG AEROHT land aircraft carrier. This is not just a concept, it is arguably the most practical and brilliant approach to the flying car dilemma we have ever seen. The engineers designed a unique modular system consisting of 2 distinct parts. On the ground, you drive a rugged, 6-wheeled electric overland truck that looks like it belongs in a science fiction movie. But inside the rear cargo bay of this vehicle lies a fully electric, 2-seat personal aircraft that can automatically deploy and take off at the press of a single button. This modular masterclass perfectly demonstrates how Eastern manufacturers are approaching this new market. While Western firms often focus on engineering a single vehicle that must both drive on tarmac and fly in the sky, which introduces immense weight and aerodynamic penalties, this alternative strategy separates the 2 functions entirely. Furthermore, this vehicle highlights how regional manufacturing powerhouses are leveraging their massive, existing electric vehicle supply chains to scale this technology rapidly. By utilizing mass-produced electric car batteries and advanced electric motors, they can drastically lower production costs. Imagine driving your family truck to a scenic open field, pressing a button, and launching a high-tech aircraft into the sky within minutes. It completely redefines the concept of a weekend road trip. This practical fusion of ground and air travel is precisely why global experts are paying close attention to these new manufacturing strategies. The era of personal flight is officially here, and it is reshaping our world faster than anyone could have anticipated. Moving forward with our countdown, we arrive at number 7, a vehicle that feels like a massive leap toward fully automated urban transport. The EHang 216S. This remarkable aircraft is the world's first fully autonomous, passenger-carrying drone to receive an official type certificate for commercial operations. Developed as an electric vertical takeoff and landing vehicle, it features 8 folding arms equipped with 16 independent rotors. It can carry 2 passengers completely hands-free because there is no pilot on board and there are no traditional flight controls inside the cabin. Instead, the entire journey is managed by an advanced, centralized command center on the ground. You simply sit back, select your destination on a touchscreen, and let the artificial intelligence handle the flight path. Now, you might wonder if flying in a pilotless aircraft is truly safe for everyday travel, and that is a very valid concern. If you are finding this breakdown valuable, make sure to stay tuned, because the next vehicle on our list takes a completely different, highly dramatic approach to personal flight that you definitely do not want to miss. That brings us directly to number 6, the incredible Gravity Industries jetsuit. While the previous automated drone focuses on ultimate passenger comfort, this British innovation represents the absolute pinnacle of human-machine synchronization. Created by a brilliant inventor, this suit utilizes 5 compact, high-powered jet engines with 2 mounted on each arm and 1 positioned on the back. It generates over 1,000 horsepower, allowing a pilot to reach speeds of up to 53 miles per hour and climb to altitudes of nearly 12,000 feet. What makes this suit so spectacular is its intuitive control mechanism, as the pilot alters direction and velocity simply by shifting their arms and moving their body weight. However, as an analyst looking at the broader picture, both of these engineering achievements face a common hurdle, which is the undeniable reality of energy density. The heavy reliance on current battery limits automated drones to short trips, while the immense fuel consumption of miniature jet engines restricts the flying suit to around 10 minutes of airborne autonomy. It is a fascinating technological trade-off between heavy automation and pure human agility. Continuing our journey through the skies, we hit number 5 on our countdown with the Jetson 1. This sleek, single-seat flying vehicle is being hailed by industry experts as the Tesla of the personal aviation world. Weighing only 190 pounds, this ultralight machine is powered by 8 high-performance electric motors that allow it to reach top speeds of 63 miles per hour. The engineering philosophy behind the Jetson 1 is all about accessibility, meaning you do not need a formal pilot license to operate it. The internal flight computer uses advanced artificial intelligence to automatically handle stabilization, hover control, and complex navigation. The pilot simply directs the vehicle using an intuitive joystick, while the software ensures that the aircraft stays within safe operating parameters, even if you take your hands off the controls. Stepping up the scale to number 4, we find the Autoflight Prosperity, a heavy-hitting passenger aircraft that recently set a world record for the longest flight by an electric vertical takeoff and landing vehicle. This massive taxi drone covered a distance of 155 miles on a single charge, proving that electric regional transit is no longer a distant dream. What links these two extraordinary vehicles is the critical importance of smart safety systems. At these higher altitudes, there is absolutely zero room for error, which is why both manufacturers have integrated automated ballistic parachutes and multi-sensor collision avoidance technology. If a critical component fails, the onboard AI can deploy a life-saving parachute within a fraction of a second or safely land the vehicle without any human intervention. This emphasis on redundant safety systems is precisely what will convince mature consumers to trust this technology for their daily commutes. As we look at these personal and commercial designs, it raises a very interesting question about our future choices. Would you feel more comfortable piloting your own compact personal flyer like the Jetson 1, or riding as a passenger